Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm gonna create a makeup look using only 5 products and a full face of makeup using only 5 makeup products. So I'm just gonna take it as a challenge. I have already done a similar sort of a video last year, I think. I'll put it on the cards if you're interested to watch it, but today I'm just gonna do the exact same thing. I'm gonna use only 5 products to create a full face of makeup. I've already cleansed my face using the Dermavive Hydra cleanser. This is a very nice mild cleanser for your face. So even if you have a sensitive skin type, I think you will really enjoy this. It just clears all the dirt and impurities so well and still keeps your skin super supple and soft. I followed it up using the Neutriderm Vitamin E lotion. This is also a very lightweight moisturizer for your skin and it just hydrates your skin very well and it doesn't become greasy or oily at all. I'm really liking it for the summer season. So that's my skincare done, and now we are gonna begin with the makeup part. So to prime my face, I'm using the Swiss Beauty Natural Fixer Makeup Setting Spray. So this is gonna act as a primer for today's makeup look. So I'm just gonna spray my face using the Swiss Beauty Makeup Fixer, and this is gonna act as a primer for today's makeup look. For my base today, I'm going to use a new launch by Colorbar. This is their 24 hours wear weightless powder foundation. I'm not going to use any concealer or liquid foundation for today's look, just this powder foundation alone. I like to use the applicator that comes along with the packaging itself because I feel that it deposits a nice amount of product onto my face. So I'm just taking that on the applicator and just going to apply it on my entire face. Can you see the difference this product gives? So this is my bare face and this is with the product on. It's such a silky smooth powder foundation. It doesn't feel powdery at all and it just takes about 2 minutes to cover your entire face, and it's super easy and user friendly. Just look at the coverage this is giving. It has covered up all my imperfections so well and still it looks like skin. That's what I love about this powder foundation. Since it is a powder foundation, it's gonna last very well on my oily skin as well, which is perfect for summers because I don't like the tacky feeling a liquid foundation gives during summers with all that heat and sweat. So this is a perfect product for me. So that's my base makeup done. Just look at the amount of coverage this product gives. It covered up my dark circles, the hyperpigmentation and everything, and it's super easy and quick. And it just feels like nothing on my face, so that is amazing too. So I'm going to pick up this very deep cool toned brown shade from the palette on an angled brush, and I'm just going to use that to fill in my eyebrows. And by the way, this is the Wet n Wild Color Icon palette in the shade V.I Purple. So my brows are all done. It's already looking super neat and clean. For eyeshadow, I'm taking my Maybelline Superstay Matte Ink Liquid Lipstick in the shade Mover, which is like this very beautiful dusty mauvey pink lip color. So I'm just going to use that as an eyeshadow today. So I'm just going to dab a little bit on top of my eyelids. And I'm just going to work one eye at a time because this liquid lipstick dries up super fast. So yeah. I'm just going to take my ring finger and just tap the lipstick all over my eyelid. Now I'm going to take this shade which is labeled as Transition, which is like a deep warm brown shade, and it's a matte finish. So I'm just going to take that on a blending brush and just apply it on the crease. I'm also applying the same eyeshadow on my lower lash line just to define on the lower lash line as well. Then I'm going to take this really deep smoky matte purple shade. So I'm just going to take that eyeshadow on the same angled brush that I used for my eyebrows. I'm going to go very close to my lower lash line. I'm also going to use the same eyeshadow on top of my upper lash line just to create a soft eyeliner effect. For mascara, I'm using my all-time favorite mascara, which is the Maybelline Lash Sensational Mascara. I'm just gonna coat this on my top and bottom eyelashes. And whatever is left on the wand, with a very light hand, I'm just gonna run it on top of my eyebrows just to set them in place. Now to add a little bit of dimension to my face, I'm gonna mix both these transition shades and apply it on the perimeters of my face. I'm also gonna define the sides of my nose. I'm gonna take the same Maybelline Matte Ink Liquid Lipstick in the shade Moore. So I've just taken that on the back of my hand and I'm gonna take a beauty blender. Just work the product on the beauty blender and just tap it onto my cheeks, and this is just gonna act as a blusher. That is a soft mauve pink blusher on. Now I'm going to highlight my face a little bit. I'm going to dig into the Wet n Wild eyeshadow palette again, and I'm going to pick up this very beautiful golden shimmer eyeshadow on a blending brush and just apply it on the tops of my cheekbones. For lipstick, obviously I'm going to use the Maybelline Superstay Matte Ink Liquid Lipstick in the shade Moore, which I mentioned 1,000 times in this video. So yeah, I'm just gonna apply the lipstick directly on the lips. Again, to set everything in place, I'm going to use the Swiss Beauty Makeup Fixer. So here is the final result, only using 5 makeup products to create this whole face of makeup. I think it turned out pretty good. I'm really liking the mauvey rosy tones on my makeup today, and it looks super natural and fresh looking, which I can totally see myself rocking on an everyday basis. So yeah, I think I quite like the end result. Let me know your thoughts about this makeup look in the comment section as well. Doesn't this lipstick shade remind you of Barbie's lip color? Because I vividly remember that my Barbie doll used to have this sort of a pale mauvey pink sort of a lip color on her lips. So that's what I thought about it when I put this on. So anyway, this is it for today's video. I really hope that you guys enjoyed watching this video. If you did, make sure to give it a huge thumbs up, comment, and do not forget to subscribe to my channel for more such videos. And I shall see you guys soon in my next one. Bye!